friends, welcome. It's Rachel here, and today I am doing a video in part of a crop that is going on over at Scrapbook Nerd. They're doing a weekend crop in preparation for Christmas and December crafting with different challenges, giveaways. It's all free, so you can just go on the Facebook group down in the description below to join if you are interested. So my challenge today is to use tags in your project. It can be prepping tags for Christmas gifts. It can be putting tags in a scrapbook layout, or it can be doing something like I'm doing today, and I'm using tags in my 3x4 cards that I'm prepping. You can do anything with tags. We're very easygoing here with the challenges. So today I'm going to show you how I'm using tags in these 3x4 cards. And yes, so I have prepped a bunch of stuff for December Daily in my Mix and Mingle class 6-week journey that I am doing with Fleur, who is also on the Scrapbook Nerd design team, and we're doing a class together, and a lot of or part of what I did in that is prepping December Daily already with handmade embellishments and things like that. But what I have not done yet is prepping 3x4 cards, which I really wanted to do because I am doing using a 6x8 album. So if I have these 3x4 cards prepped and ready to go, then it'll be really easy each and every day when I'm putting my album together. And yeah, it'll just be quick and easy, and I won't have to think too much about it. So prepping is kind of the key to making December Daily sustainable and make sense for a busy lifestyle or anyone's life in general, because you're literally documenting every single day. So my tip is definitely to prep, which you probably already know, but yes, I would recommend it. So these cards, I wanted to have journaling spots on them. So I took 2 tags here, and I actually only end up using one with the lines, but I drew some lines on them so that I can do some journaling if I want to. If not, I can cover it up with either a little itty bitty picture or some more stickers once I put the album together. But I'm putting a doily on this card, and I just cut out cards from the 6x8 paper pad. I am using 2 different collections, Simple Stories Mix and Mingle and Simple Stories Baking Spirits Bright. These collections are so cute, and I'm having so much fun with them. So these are the 2 that I am playing with today. And so I put a little doily on there for my stash, and then that tag from my stash. And I got that apron sticker from the sticker sheet. And I thought that would be good because of the card. The pattern paper I used is like gingerbread people, so it has to do with baking, so I thought it went well together. And then that is where I decided to use this recipe sticker. I just thought it all went together really well. So again, I don't know what I'll use the card for, but I definitely will be doing a lot of baking, so hopefully it'll be fitting for what I use. And then I use this little sticker that says Mrs. Claus. I do love to bake, so I'm sure I'll be doing lots of baking at Christmas time. I've been thinking about maybe doing those cookie boxes, making a bunch of different kinds of cookies and making cookie boxes, but I know that everyone bakes during the holiday season, so I don't want to overwhelm people with baking. I don't know. I gotta think about it. I love to bake, but sometimes it can be a little sweetness overload at Christmas time. I don't know. You'll have to let me know if you're doing cookie boxes or if you like to bake or what. You'll have to let me know. So I'm moving on to the next card. Oh, I forgot to say on the last card I used it's like a Sharpie paint pen to do a white border. You could also use a white gel pen or a white marker pen. And obviously you could sew with white thread, but I did the other 2 with black thread, and also I sewed around this polka dot tag. And yeah, we're going a little pattern heavy here, but I think in the end it kind of all comes together anyway, and it works out. But yes, a lot of patterns here for sure. And I would love to know in the comments what you are doing for your December daily. If maybe you're not doing one, maybe you're just documenting highlights of December. Maybe you're doing a traveler's notebook. Maybe you're just doing like journaling or 6x8 album, 9x12, 12x12. I would love to know what you're doing. I can't wait to see everyone's inspiration when December hits. And I'm really excited about that. Let me know if you're in the Christmas mood yet. I know for Americans, you have your Thanksgiving yet to come this month. I don't know exactly what day that is. I apologize. Because over here in Canada, we have Thanksgiving beginning of October. It's kind of like fall and the leaves falling and the beautiful colors and the fall weather and like October and Thanksgiving and Halloween are all kind of a bundle in my head as a Canadian. That's kind of how they all come. But I know you all have Thanksgiving closer to Christmas. And I don't know if you see those two like bundled together in your head, like two Christmassy holidays. But to me, Thanksgiving is very much like fall vibes because it's in the beginning of October. And that's when we here have our fall weather, when the leaves are falling. And by now it is very cold. Normally, maybe not normally, but a lot of times by now we have snow. So that to me screams Christmas. And so that's how it works in my head. But that's probably why a lot of Americans, I would assume, are maybe not in the Christmas mood right now or Christmas spirit yet, which is understandable. But I am absolutely ready for Christmas. It is my favorite season, favorite holiday, and yeah, I love it. So I'm ready for it. And yeah, don't like the cold weather that comes with that, but I'll take snow on Christmas Day. I like a white Christmas, but that's about it. I'm not a fan of Christmas after January 1st. I mean, snow after January 1st or Christmas. I am the type of person to take my Christmas stuff down like day after Christmas because I put it up so early. I think I'm just like tired of the Christmas decor and I'm ready to go back to my normal house and get rid of the Christmas decorations. But we normally have them around for about 6 weeks. And yeah, so at the time of recording this, I do not have Christmas decor up, but maybe by the time this is posted, I will. So I'm using this Liquitex acrylic paint stuff. I don't know what it said. Ink. That's what it was. And I just watered that down to make some gorgeous gold paint splatters. So these are my cards. I can adjust them when I use them in my albums, but I love them so far. Links will be down below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!